Please subscribe and click the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you. Hi guys, today it's me Akib and today I'll be doing an unboxing video. Today I'll be unboxing a security device meant for children. Here it comes. It is called as the Dialog Suraksha. Let's see the features. Speed dial with SOS key, child tracking, restricted calling times at school and class, voice-based menu instructions, incoming outgoing restricted to phone numbers, ability for parents to control the phone fully via SMS. And displays the QR code and TRCSL approved. And let's open the box. In the box, it contains the device. This is the device, Suraksha, and just keep it inside that. And there's something. Take this also. In here we get the adapter, some small screws and a screwdriver. Thing meant in this. Yeah, here. As you can see, it's here and here. And we get a neck tag. Just see if the neck tag is also available. Yep, it's available. It's available here. As you can see, the neck tag. You can fit it like this. It's available here at this part. And these are the details I've wrote. And let's see some of items in the box. And we get a USB cable and a warranty card. And also instruction guide. The instruction guide, and these are the things I got in the box: the adapter, warranty card, the neck tag or the head tag, the instruction manual, the data cable or the charging cable, and the teeny meeny screwdriver with some screws, and the phone. And let's see some. Oh, there's 3-4 buttons. I think this is the volume controlling up and down buttons. There's the emergency SOS buttons as shown in the box. Let me focus there. Speed dial with SOS key. I think it's this. And also guys, thank you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and like